Here guys is another night market. At night market na is a wet market. And wala na, may basurahan. Supposed to be wala may basurahan guys, but because it's wet market time. So na ay basurahan. So na natin ang drink mga pagkaon guys. Choose la which one you want. So this one is the kamote, the fried kamote, and our strawberry. Our baboy guys, ay isda yun. The king crab. Crab naghihiwa-hiwa. Here is the vegetarian. See guys, na ito yung the tuyong there and the clams and the so big crab and the tuna mo naghihimong sauché and the fried dahon and tempura anak and the fold down the prito itself. Yes, our vending is everywhere and anywhere so that you can buy there guys.